The challenge with those kinds of events is even when there's a really tight ideal client profile match, what you're essentially looking for is ways to have the attendees see your experts, not as vendors, but actually as subject matter experts, as teachers, as consultants, as trusted advisors, maybe even thought leaders when it comes to anything and everything having to do with data center construction, specifically the application of when it makes sense to use precast concrete in the design and the construction of data center facilities. And if you just have a booth at that conference, if you're just sponsoring parties or a golf tournament or a 5K or something at that event, you really don't have the opportunity to educate and build trust with people. Sure, they'll have a positive brand halo about it, but that's very, very different than them attending a 45-minute breakout session or a 45-minute webinar or a 45-minute lunch and learn, where you're talking about the state of data center construction best practices, where you're talking about what goes into design, what goes into shell, and best practices for deciding when and how and where to use precast concrete.